20 minus box bracket 6 minus curly bracket minus smaller bracket 8 minus 6 plus 3, all the brackets close. How to solve this question? Which bracket is to solve first? So as per the order of operation, we first solve parenthesis. Parenthesis means the brackets. Brackets are of three types. This is the smaller bracket, this is the curly bracket, and this one is the box bracket. This box bracket is called bigger bracket. This is the middle bracket and this is smaller bracket. So first we solve the smaller bracket, then the curly bracket, and then this box bracket. So after solving parenthesis, we come to order of indices, exponent roots, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Multiplication, division, they are grouped together because they have equal priority, because division is nothing but a kind of multiplication, inverse of multiplication. So they enjoy equal priority. We solve them from left to right, whichever comes first from left to right. Same goes with addition and subtraction. However, in addition and subtraction, whether you do addition first or subtraction first, there will be no change in the answer. So as per this PEMDAS, we solve the smaller bracket first. So write all other numbers and operations as it is. Now within the bracket, we have first subtraction, then addition. So from left to right, we can do subtraction first. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then 2 plus 3 is 5. Or what we can do, we can add these two positives, 8 plus 3, 11, and then subtract 6 from it. So in any case, you will get 5 as your answer. So you can write 5. Now you can remove the bracket since this operation is done. So we are removing this smaller bracket and writing the curly bracket. Now next part is solving the curly bracket. So 4 minus 5 will be negative 1. We can remove this curly bracket. Removing this curly bracket means minus multiplied to minus, this becomes plus. So 6 plus 1. Now we have 20 minus 6 plus 1 is 7. We can remove this box bracket. 20 minus 7 is 13. 13 is the answer. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.